This is where our stories live. Kapahaka, movies, and shows for everyone. And one app that just got better. Now, with profiles for all the whānau, you get more of what you're into. Now, pause over here, pick up over there. Update the app, sign in, and we'll handle the rest. All you need to decide,
just like Mum used to make,
is what to watch first.
This is home.
Pono mai, the all-new MāORI Plus.
White flag out there on the water indicating under starters orders. Race number 138. It is the Master 40 woman. Master 40 woman V1 500 meter heat number 6 of 7. Second to last heat in this division. Red flags up, they go up to the official start line. Let's see how this start goes. Drifting up nicely. They've been doing it nicely. It's a green flag, and there we have a start in this race number 138, the Master Woman 40 V1 500 meters heat 6, and looking strong out there in lane number 5, I would say it would be Aotearoa, New Zealand, Ngāwai and inside in lane 3 it was from Singapore, Christine Sheridan. Certainly got a good start and putting up a good showing at this moment in time. Across in lane number 1 also have got a good start. That would be Canada, Joe Phillips. Let me tell you who's out there in this race. Lane 1, it is Joe Phillips from Canada. In lane 2, it is Marina, New Caledonia. Marina Temodi from New Caledonia. In lane number 3, it is Christine Sheridan from Singapore. In lane 4, it is Marina Bobot from Wallace Fortuna. In lane 5, it's Ngāwai Ompi, Aotearoa, New Zealand. In lane number 6, it is Valeska Este Valalilon Walkeria from Chile. That's a wonderful name. You're going to tell me how to say it properly next time. In lane number 7, it's Sky Vihikete from Tonga. Here we go. It is very good out there. Looking out there in lane number 5, it was from Aotearoa, New Zealand. Looking strong. Ngāwai Ormsby cruising along nicely as they get through that 250 meters. In second place, it is over there in lane number 3, is it? It is from Singapore. In lane number 2, we've got New Caledonia and Canada on the far side. So looking good at the moment. In lane 5, it is Wallace Sully. Let me get it right. It's Ngāwai Ormsby from Aotearoa, New Zealand. Looking strong in lane 5. And then we look across to see who's beside her. Looks like a very good spot there for Wallace Fortuna, and beside her it's going to be Marina Bobot as they come up there to the last 100 meters. It is going to be, let's see where it is. It is 5. It is going to be Aotearoa, New Zealand. That's going to be up there in lane number 3. It is going to be Singapore, who's looking pretty strong up there for a nice placing. Behind her, it's Canada. It is Joe Phillips out there, looking like they're going to be first, second, and third, unless I'm wrong. It's focus on the front. It is Hawaii Ormsby, Aotearoa, New Zealand, Aotearoa, and here she comes. Then who's going to be out there? It will be New Caledonia. Will come through there on the far side. It will come second, and then it will be New Caledonia in lane number 2, and then Canada. Red flag, white flag on the water. One crew well back there at the start line. The pre-start line is just that, just for pre-start. Red flag is up. And green for go. One crew stood back far too long. I'm not sure why they're having there, but let's see who's in this field. It is race number 139, the Master 50 men, V12 500 metres, heat number 2. In lane 1, it is Singapore. Lane 2, New Caledonia. Lane 3, New Zealand, Aotearoa. Lane 4, Brazil. Lane 5, Australia. Lane 6, Hawaii. Lane 7 is Malaysia. Lane 8 is Tahiti. That's how they line up in this one. Tahiti got the lead. They're out there quickly as they shoot out there. That is Tahiti. No Tere paddling connection. That's what they call themselves. This is club racing at its finest. At its finest, and they've got a Waka, half a Waka pants lead at this moment from inside them. Who's inside them? Malaysia inside them, and also Hawaii probably up there. Lane 6 in there as well. Over in lane number 3, Aotearoa, New Zealand, fighting for that as well. They are still close together. You'll see it when they get down there. They've gone past the halfway mark. As they come through, maybe it's Tahiti. It is Tahiti in front, no doubt about it. Who's second? Maybe Aotearoa, New Zealand. Also outside them, maybe New Caledonia. Hang on, there's a lot of maybes there. Maybe also in lane number 6, Hawaii, as they push up. No doubt about the lead. It's the other placings that's going to be the big one. Look at them come home. Oh my goodness. It's going to make my job hard. No doubt about the lead. And who's going to get second, third? Who's going to get fourth? It is Tahiti out here. They have got the lead. Oh, you are kidding me. You are kidding me. It is Tahiti. Oh, it's so close. It is Tahiti. It's in. No one wants to tell me what was it's in. Oh my goodness, that was so close. That was only a heat. You gotta wait to the final. That's gonna be outstanding. They're not sinking. So this lovely lady that just came and dropped on the food said, okay, that's Sophia. She's another. We have different styles, that's a good thing. We all have different styles. So back home we have about 5. There's about 5 commentators and 5